I'll be priming my eyes with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer and the Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer. So I'll just mix these together and then put them on my eyes and then set them with some translucent powder, which will be the Born This Way translucent powder. I will be using the Natural Luxe Too Faced eyeshadow palette. The first shade is Love Language. I'm going to use the Morphe JH30, which is a huge fluffy blending brush, and this is just perfect for blending out those transition shades without all the time. So just going to blend this right into my crease area. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Call Me Back, which is this orange transition shade tone right there. Using the same brush and just put it right into my crease. You can just blend this like all over, just in the crease area, nowhere particular. This is just gonna be our transition shades. This brush is just amazing. It just blends out like everything so quickly, so blended. And in the crease, I'm gonna go with the shade Set in Stone, which is right here, the JH35. Just gonna lightly keep that right into the crease area, slowly adding color and just building it up. So now I'm gonna take that shade mixed with Set in Stone, mixed with Hot to Trot, and I'm gonna apply those to my eyelid. I'm gonna use the JH33. I'm not applying color into the inner corner of my eye because that can make your eyes look closed off, so make sure the shadow stays past that part. And then I'm gonna go back in with the big blending brush and just blend the crease area. On this side, I'm gonna go back in with the smaller blending brush, the Set in Stone, and just blend that in the crease a little bit. Back in with that large blending brush. I'm just going to grab a little bit of the Call Me Back, that orange transition shade. Just a little. I'm just going to blend out the edges. Leave it at this and apply eyeliner, but I am going to top this off with this Sassy Brassy shade right here. I'm just gonna pat it on top of my finger. I don't want it to be too shimmery, but just shimmery enough. And then with a Morphe M508, like a smudger brush, I'm going to put the shade Align Fold on the lash line. Line my top eyelid with some liquid eyeliner. I did my face makeup before I'm gonna do my bottom eyelid. So first I'm gonna highlight my inner corner. I'm gonna mix the shades Oopsie Daisy and All Tied Up. All Tied Up and Oopsie Daisy. Look at what a huge difference that makes. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Silk Robe and a little bit of the Tied Up. All tied up under my brow bone here. So I'm just going to take my big blending brush again and just blend out the edges here so with my foundation on, just to bring them out a little more. With the Real Techniques detailer brush, I'm going to apply the shade Sassy Brassy on this bottom lash line. Then going to apply the Rimmel Nude 005 eyeliner to my waterline. The Mercier Mascara and Caviar Volume. Now I'm going to apply my Kiss Lash Couture Naked Drama in the style Chiffon False Lashes. Now I'm going to line my lips with the NYX Mauve Lip Liner. So I'm going to be using this Sephora Made in Italy lipstick. It's like a brown nude red tone.